the fruit crops are mainly propagated by sexual and asexual propagation. We have here in Afghanistan famous fruit grapes are pomegranate. It's propagated through asexual propagation. Especially we are working on pomegranate. The pomegranate we are propagating through asexual propagation by AZV cuttings. We have for food crops so many methods for asexual propagation, especially for pomegranates, fig and grapes. Pomegranates giving a successful result by cuttings. We have two types of cuttings here. The people they are selecting 2 years in 1 year old cuttings. For example, we should select from the tree the first year old cuttings, the branch. The experimental or the research are shown that the 1 year old cutting is giving a good result. We should select from cutting the middle portion of the cutting, and we should cut the basal in the top portion of the cutting. We should select the middle portion. It should have at least 3 or 5 buds, these cuttings, and we are just putting the cuttings by the side of the water channels. For example, here we are propagating the pomegranate cutting. We have propagated the 1 year and the 2 years old cutting. For example, this is the 1 year cuttings, the 1 year old cutting. The middle portion of the cutting we are selected. It's giving a good result. See, this is the 1 year result of. For example, it's propagated from March. Now it's August. The length of the branch is more than 1 meters. If we just put the 2 years cuttings, it's not giving a good result. We have two types, 1 year and 2 years cuttings. Especially the 2 years cuttings, the second year's cutting, it's not giving a good result. It's just giving about 5%. In the 1 year old cuttings, it's giving 95% good result. And it should be watered by sucking. It should not be watered through base irrigation. The experimental shown when we are propagating the pomegranate, it should be sucked by the water. In the water source should be not come on the cuttings. It's giving a good result.